Want to go global with Amazon? Learn how to send your inventory to Sweden like a pro. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you what countries you should expand to first. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, you should already have access to the Sweden marketplace, right? If you don't have access to the Sweden marketplace, simply go to catalog and then, inventory, then go to sell globally, and then you're gonna access this page. Once you access this page, you're gonna click Europe, and then you're gonna click create a European selling account, just have your passport ready and everything ready to go, and then apply to sell in Sweden. And then I'm gonna be showing you the next steps on that. Make sure you switch your account to Sweden so that way you can actually create your inventory, and then I'm going to be showing you how to ship it in. Now once you're in Sweden, it's going to say Sweden in the top left corner of your screen, and then you're going to go to your inventory. Make sure that you actually add your inventory. So to add inventory, you're simply going to go to catalog, add products, add your products. Once you add your products, then you're simply going to click it to change to fulfilled by Amazon. Make sure it's fulfilled by Amazon. You'll know it's fulfilled by Amazon when it says available FBA and you can't actually change the inventory. See how I can't change it? If I could change it, just like this one, that means it's FBM. You want it to not be changeable. So this is not good. You don't want it to say FBM, you want it to say FBA. Once it says FBA, then it's time to actually ship in inventory. So all you have to do is click this, and then click send or replenish inventory. Okay, so once you do that, then you can put your market destination, right? And this may change. So let's say we're sending in, so right now it's not even letting us ship any inventory in because you need to put your prep and label details 100%. It depends on what you're doing, what you're sending in. So again, we wanna see if there's any error messages. So let's say if we are sending in these pink units, we're gonna click and see what the error message says. This product is enrolled in Pan-European FBA program. To inbound Pan-European FBA enrolled inventory for sale on Swedish website, please select Germany as the inbound destination. So pretty much they want us to send it directly to Germany, and then Amazon is going to send it from Germany to Sweden to be allowed to be sold. So the market destination, we're going to change it to Germany. Make sure your shipping address, your ship from address is correct. And now it's not giving us any errors. So sometimes Amazon does this, and this pretty much helps them with storage and everything. So if we were just sending in one box of this, you can just click ready to send. And then we're going to move forward to the next step, and that's confirm and continue. Now we're going to do the ship date. So let's say we're shipping it by Monday, and then we're just shipping one box and yada yada, and then we're good to go. Select carrier. So you can select any of the carriers you want, and we are going to click, so you can't do any actual carrier, so we're going to do UPS. UPS non-partnered carrier or UPS international. I believe they're both the same. So let's just see. They're both non-partnered, so I don't think it really matters. I'm just going to click UPS just in case. And then we're going to do delivery window. When do you think it's going to be delivered? I'm going to say by December 23rd. Because you want it to be delivered within the delivery window. You're going to click accept charges and confirm shipping. After this, they're going to give you a box label. So you've got to print this label, print it. It's going to look something like this, and it's going to tell you where it's going to be shipped to, this address in Germany. So then you're going to click proceed to enter tracking details. And so this is not actually a UPS track. This is just for Amazon. So this needs to go on the outside of the box, the big box that holds all of your units. And you need to go to ups.com because we said UPS, and UPS is one of the best, so that's what I recommend. And on ups.com, you're just going to click ship, and you're going to give them this address where it's going to ship to and where it's going to ship from, and then they're going to give you a shipping label. Once you get that shipping label, it's going to give you a tracking number, obviously. Put that tracking ID in there so that way Walmart can track this. Amazon can track the shipment as well. And then you're going to click done. And then once it arrives at Amazon, Amazon's going to say, okay, they're going to scan their internal barcode, so they're going to know what the item is. And then boom, it's going to be available to sell, So right when you do this, it's going to say an inbound. And then once it's there and they check it in, you're going to be able to see it's going to be available for FBA and ready to purchase. Make sure you do monitor the UPS shipment. Sometimes it gets stuck in customs. They might ask for your VAT number, tax ID, your EORI number. Just make sure you have those ready. You can always call UPS ahead of time and be like, hey, what do I need? Do I need an invoice? Do I need this? But usually when you're creating the shipping label, they usually have everything you need there, but sometimes they don't. So just track the shipment and try to make sure everything goes smoothly. And for making it to the end of the video, what countries you should expand to first, in my professional opinion. Number 1 is obviously going to be USA. Number 2 is UK, then Canada, then Australia, then Singapore. After that, you can expand to the other countries like Sweden, Germany, any other, Spain, and go from there. The reason why is because I recommend if English is your first language, to focus on the English-speaking countries first. It's just going to be so much easier to generate sales, not have to deal with translation issues and errors when you're shipping. It's going to be a lot easier just to deal with items and products that have English as their main language. That's just my recommendation, 100% up to you. And then after you do this, you can expand to the other countries and work on the translations and things like that. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. Also, if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're into Amazon and you already sell, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with expanding internationally or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Our link is right in the description. Also, our #1 service is where we manage your account. We help you expand to all the different countries. We'll optimize your listings, manage ads for every single country, and most importantly, help you generate sales and a profit. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP, and I'm signing out.